Google Sheet integration for fetching employee scores. What if you could track employee performance effortlessly, without the hassle of manual data entry? With Google Sheets integration, you can fetch real-time employee scores instantly, making performance tracking smoother and smarter. Why this integration is a game changer? Live data access. No more outdated reports. Get up-to-the-minute employee scores straight from Google Sheets. Seamless integration. Easily connect Google Sheets with dashboards. Better decision-making. Identify top performers, track progress, and adjust goals, all with real-time data at your fingertips. Boost efficiency. Say goodbye to manual data entry. Automation ensures accuracy and saves valuable time. Scalable for any business. Whether you have 10 employees or 10,000, this system grows with you. How it works. 1. Get the Google Sheet URL. Copy the link to your employee score sheet. 2. Specify the sheet and range. Example, Sheet 1, C4. 2. Fetch data automatically. The integration pulls scores in real time for quick and easy analysis. By leveraging Google Sheets, businesses can track performance smarter, improve transparency, and drive success effortlessly. Time to say hello to data-driven decisions.